Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Wen. Here's the question. If y is the sum of squares, what kind of squares? Of 11 consecutive numbers, we want to find the minimum value of y. We can assume those 11 consecutive numbers are the middle one is x. You have 5 on the right-hand side, 5 on the left-hand side. So start here, x, the next one should be x plus 1 consecutive. Then x plus 2, then x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5. On the left-hand side, reduced by 1. The next one on the left-hand side should be x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Now we can write down what is y in terms of x. So y is the sum of squares of those 11 consecutive numbers. We start here, x squared, then x plus 1 squared, x plus 2 squared, x plus 3 squared, x plus 4 squared, x plus 5 squared. On the left-hand side, that's x minus 1 squared until x minus 5 squared. Simplify each term. Look at the first one. A squared, that's x squared. 2ab, 2 times x times negative 5 is negative 10x. Last term square, minus 5 squared is 25. Similarly, for the second term here, that's x squared minus 2 times x times negative 4, that's negative 8 squared. So negative 8x. Minus 4 squared, that's plus 16. Until you have x squared here, then plus, look at this term, that's x squared plus 2ab. 2ab is 2 times 4 times x, that's 8x. Then 4 squared, that's 16. The last term, that's x squared, 2 times x times 5, that's 10x. 5 squared is 25. Now here, you can see the pattern. On the left-hand side, right-hand side of x value, x term are symmetric. Last constant term are symmetric. So only the x term. On the left-hand side, that's a negative sign. On the right-hand side, that's a positive sign. You see it? Positive sign, negative sign. So that means we can cancel those terms. Right here, that's here. And this one. So on the left-hand side, right-hand side, now you can see what is the remaining part. So here, just count x squared term. X squared, you have 5x squared on the right-hand side, 5x squared on the left-hand side. Total, you have 11x squared. Then you have a positive 25 here. You have positive 25 here. How many? You have 2. The next one is 16. You have 16. 16 is 4 squared. By the way, 25 is 5 squared. So that's 5 squared, 4 squared. Then you should have 3 squared. That's 9, 2 squared. That's 1 squared. Plus 1 minus 1, right? 1 squared. So here, add them together. Times 2 equals 110. So what does this mean? Simplify y into this simple form, 11x squared plus 110. Now, what is the question? Y is here, we want to find the minimum value of y. So y is here, we want to find the minimum value. Look at the right-hand side. What is the minimum value? So the smallest x value is what? X squared value is what? 0. If x is not 0, x squared is always positive. So this number is bigger. So this y reaches the minimum when x equals 0. X equals 0, y equals what? 11 times 0 plus 110 equals 110. So the minimum value of y equals 110. That's the answer. Thanks for watching. See you next time.